Welcome back, guys. So right now let's talk about app integrations. We have different sessions here. We have the home, we have the project, we have the templates, we have the brand, which we'll talk about much more later. But look at this particular function on your Canva apps. This is a very powerful function for you. With these apps, you can add more functions to your Canva, and that's what we're going to look into. So these are apps, and this is what it means. A lot of apps has been integrated to Canva. You can actually use these apps to do a lot of magic in terms of creating all sort of things as a social media manager. But the first thing I want to do is to search for apps that are related to social media. So let me search for social media. Let's see what we are going to have. So here we have different apps right here. As you could see, we have Wida. Add your Wida images to your Canva creations. Social Bello, AI powered conversational content creator. Yes, we have preview your designs across platforms. This social previewer, and we have Vista Social, publish and schedule designs to social media. We are going to check it out. So we have this new link, which is social media scheduling with automations, and we have video captions, generate styled video captions for social media. Then we have AI vocal remover, separate vocal and background music in audio, and we have OpenRep AI social media caption generator. We have Carousel Studio, create social media carousel with AI. So these are some of the tools, some of the apps that are integrated into AI that could help us. So you could do, I will not be able to show you how to use them one by one, but it's something you could explore when you are in your free time. Social media is all about you testing, doing. When you try to test new tools, you get to discover what you wouldn't have if you don't try it. So this is why I'm just showing you these apps, because you could actually go and try them and see what works for you. So here we have flamemail.ai. So import media, export designs, and leverage AI. And we have Bobcat. So Bobcat is used to schedule social media posts. So we have all these tools, and you can use them to do a whole lot of things as a social media manager. So we're going to check some of it. Of course, we're going to check some of it, how to use them to create videos, how to create all sort of things. As you can see, we have AI faceless videos, generate videos with voiceover for social media. So these are things we are going to likely look at, and I can't wait to show you some of these powerful tools and how you can use them in the app section of your Canva. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.